Tang is a dirty little cunt.
This thing is their idea of a dishwasher. It's just a sink with a built-in jacuzzi, and it don't work. Let's see what happens.
I'm thinking about having a wank actually now. Now I've been talking to Bing Bong for half an hour. Yeah, while I've got him on my mind, I'm just going to have a wank while he's on my mind, bastard.
So that fault code means that it got too hot. So I got the plug pulled. Move it off for a second. Plug it back in. And reset. Now we can fill the sink back up and it ought to run, but I'm going to want to get a temperature reading on that water. Find out why this tripped for the second time. Look at this. I got my probe stuck up in the water pipe. 128 degrees. Coming out of the water heaters right now. That's not too hot. But I kind of feel like I need to turn down the water heaters. Well, what happens if I slow it down a little bit? I can't even slow it down. It's like such a freaking hole in the wall. That's what I gotta do. This is horse shit, dude. So the water temperature is real consistent at 128. And if it's been at 128 all this time, maybe we got a sensor issue. That's the sensor resistance at room temperature. Around about 25 C.
Can't get out. Can't get fucking hard on. I'm fucking trying. Can't be quiet. It's hard now. I don't want to do anything on here. People go mad. But try and keep your voices down or I'll turn the app
Based on that chart, this thing's reading way high. There ain't no way that's reading 110 degrees. Right here, this sensor. It feels about 75 degrees Fahrenheit to me. It ain't no 120. That ain't no sensor. Well, the sensor might be reading the correct temperature right now. After all, I gotta find the thing. Apparently, if this sensor reads approximately 28K, it'll trip. 30K to be safe will be the minimum resistance. So I'm just gonna let it fill up and see what it gets up to. I walked away for about 15 minutes and came back and found the sink less full than it was when I left. So I gotta stand here and babysit it the whole time it fills so that nobody turns it off on me. In the meantime, let me just go take care of something real quick. Water heaters are set at 130. Now they're set at 125. So that bought us a little bit more buffer. That's a little better. We're still sitting. Well, it was like 40K to take my word for it. So it thinks it's about 110, 115 degrees, which is pretty reasonable. And I'm probe down in the water. See there? 117. Probe spot on. It's doesn't have a bad sensor as far as I can tell. Which is relieving. I don't want to replace the thing. Only full. Yeah. Now that it's full, and the water temperature is 118 degrees Fahrenheit, what's that thermistor going to read? Hey, look at that. The thermistor is perfectly good. So moment of truth time. Yeah, we knew that was going to happen. that's PowerSoak sink. Yep. There you go. It's kind of rude of him not to throw something in there, wouldn't it? Is that cool?